Let's make this delicious strawberry tiramisu. Let's start by making the strawberry jam. You can use store-bought, but I'm gonna show you how to make your own. Add strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice to a saucepan. Cook, stirring occasionally until the strawberries come to a boil. Then turn the heat down and continue to cook until a thermometer reads between 200 and 220 Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, simply stop cooking the jam once it's dark and thick and reduced. Remove it to a bowl and let it cool down. To make the mascarpone filling, let's beat the mascarpone cheese with powdered sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract using a mixer. Just beat until combined. In another bowl, whip the heavy whipping cream with powdered sugar until peaks form. Add half of the whipped cream to the mascarpone and fold to combine. Then add the remaining half and fold again. To make the strawberry syrup, mix some strawberry jam and strawberry liqueur. You can substitute the liqueur for juice if you want to keep this alcohol-free. Now you're going to dip each ladyfinger in the strawberry syrup and lay them on the bottom of the pan, one next to the other. Here I'm using a 9 by 9 inch pan. You can use an 8 by 8 inch pan or an 11 by 6 inch pan. Top the ladyfingers with half of the mascarpone filling. Use a small offset spatula to spread the filling evenly. Spread about half a cup of the jam on top of the mascarpone. And then top with chopped strawberries. Now make another layer of ladyfingers on top of the strawberries. Dip each of the ladyfingers in the syrup and place on top of the layered dessert. Top the cookies with the remaining half of the mascarpone filling. Then let the tiramisu sit in the fridge overnight. To decorate, I posted some freeze-dried strawberries in a small food processor and sifted the powder on top of the tiramisu. And then I piped some whipped cream around the edges and topped with some fresh strawberries.